Hi, so today this video is basically an unboxing, a very exciting unboxing of some watercolours. Now this is very exciting because I am going to be a brand ambassador for Deep Deep Light Watercolours, and this happened, it was last month. They had applications that opened up for their brand ambassadors, and I jumped at the chance because I've followed them for a while on social media and I loved the look of their watercolours and I've coveted them, and I thought, well, maybe it's something I will get myself for my birthday or ask someone for as a Christmas present or something. But now I'm just pinching myself because I'm going to be able to test these out for you and share them with you, and hopefully create some nature-based illustrations. So yeah, this arrived at the weekend. It's taken had a bit of a journey by the looks of it, and had an exciting time with customs, I would imagine, thanks to Brexit. So yes, I'll be unboxing those now. First unboxing and unveiling and sharing those with you. So Deep Deep Light are a artisan watercolour studio. Basically they hand make watercolours run by three artists, and they are based near the Baltic Sea in Europe. And I've always loved their aesthetic of their Instagram account. It's really it makes you really feel like you're there with them creating artwork, and you get a real sense of how they live and work as artists. And I love their values, how they kind of work quite closely with nature, and they do source, they hand make all of these watercolours, and the pigments have been sourced all around the world. And also they advocate for slow living. So yeah, I think I just really liked their values, and I feel really honoured to be able to work with them, and I can't wait to share this with you. Also to say that they're very generously allowed me a discount for my subscribers, and an even slightly larger discount for my paid members of the creative flock. So I will be sharing that with you. So if you would like to try them out, this is a great time. And the discount will apply for the whole of their website. So anyway, without further ado, I will switch now, and I will unbox the watercolours. Here is the unboxing of Deep Deep Light Watercolours. So they have so many beautiful colours on their website, and it was so difficult to choose. So they asked me to make a selection, and it was just very, very difficult. So I just said the kind of things I would like to paint, and they very kindly gave me some suggestions on which ones to use and which ones they would send me. So yeah, I said I would like to paint a range of different birds, but some corvids, and I'm trying to think what other bird I said I wanted to paint now. I think it might have been a type of finch. But yeah, so many beautiful things. Yeah, so I really think after thinking about what they have, like the colours that they like, and what would be a really good way of testing them, I really thought, oh, birds. I kind of just, I think I was immediately like, yep, I'm going to paint some birds. And it would be good maybe for some nature journal work as well. So Agnes, yeah, very kindly gave me some suggestions. Okay, and I've got some nice little stamps. I'm just going to pop those away. What's lovely is that there is no plastic packaging in there. Okay, so, oh my goodness, this is so exciting. I love stamps. I love the stamps on here. So nice, little acorn, just gorgeous. birds. It's beautiful. Okay, so what should we start with? Let's start with this smaller one. So this is the floral set here. Okay, and it comes in this beautiful tin. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll just move some of these out of the way so I can get a good look. Okay, carefully just put those over there. Wow. It says, "Wake me up with a drop of water." That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow, so this is the floral set. Okay. Now, do I need to make a note on here? I think I might need to. Yes, I think what I need to do with this is make sure that I keep them together and I make a note of what these ones are. So they make collections inspired by different things. So it could be like autumn birds. They've got winter birds here, and they have just some primaries as well. They have these ones here, which are the primaries, just there. Deep Forest Collection, Misty Wild Garden. So they theme their watercolours, and they have also work with a lot of different artists who create palettes. And the one I spotted, I think this is actually the reason why I kind of fell in love with their watercolours, because Jackie Morris worked with them to create palettes specific to her, and she painted some beautiful foxes. So I will share that link as well. So they've just sent me a whole range of different ones. I did initially say, can I have some primaries and maybe a few different colours so I can mix my own colours. So this is the floral set. Let's just keep that to one side. Leave that there so I know what that is. But they have been so generous and they have sent me a lot more. So this is the small tin here, and you get 3 in here, and these are 3 primary colours, and they have this lovely little sliding cases to keep them in. This here, so I'll put that there back with my primaries, and this one, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's 15 in this case here. So you can keep them in this, or you can, if you use your own, if you have very particular ways of storing your watercolours. I use one of these, and then they comes with this. These come out here. So you can remove these. So I will be putting probably, I might actually get something similar and put them in, because then they can just clip straight in like that. But these are beautiful tins, so you could actually just keep them in there, I reckon. They're just so nice. So this one was the floral set. They were the primaries. And then we have winter birds. Okay, put that to one side so I know which one that is. Wow, okay, you get 6 in here. These are the winter birds. Just take a little bit of paper out. It's very thoughtfully, nicely put together. And these colours are all kind of inspired by wintering birds. I'll show you a bit more detail in a moment once I've opened up all these packages. So that one's winter birds, Misty Wild Garden, wow, oh that is so nice. I can already see these colours. Oh my goodness, these natural pastel colours, just beautiful. Okay, Misty Wild Garden, cave art, wow, these are some lovely ochres and browns and warm colours. They are so nice. Wow, oh my gosh, I can't tell you how excited I am. I wanted to do this video over the weekend, but we were so busy with my husband's birthday, and I had to wait till this morning. This one, oh, deep forest, yes, deep forest. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's deep forest, and then this one here. I'm wondering if this is an empty palette. Let's have a look. Have they been even more generous? Let's have a look. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ah, yes. So I asked for a number of greys, and that's in there. That's so lovely. Okay, fantastic. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is the big palette, and I'm gonna have to try and remember now how many you can fit into this one. We got, well, I think it's like 35, something like that. And they've got little swatches just here. Oh, that is so beautiful. Midori, cedar teal. All these gorgeous, gorgeous swatches of the pigments. Gerda's pink. Oh my gosh, I mean, I don't think I'm going to need any other. Oh, that was lovely. Night raspberry. I don't think I'm going to need any other materials now. This is it. This is it. Right, so that's so these are some of the greys that I asked for, and a white, some lighter greys, and this white and the blue as well, in that palette there. So this could be a great one for just bringing around with me and carrying. So there we go. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. Okay, so these are all my watercolours. They are, I'm going to just pop them all up here and just show you once more, and then what I'll do is I'll get one out of the packet to have a good look, but I don't want to mix them up. I need to make a note of what all of these are. Okay, so put those there. This is the primaries. Okay, so I might just open that one up as well so I can have a good look. And then I'll put that one there. Yeah. I love how carefully it's all packaged and no plastic, which is amazing. See if I can just bring these down. Okay. You can get a good look at all of these now. And this one here. Okay. Right. So hopefully we can see that nice and clearly. So there we go. This is just, it's like a pinch myself moment. I feel like, am I actually in a dream? This is amazing. So thank you so much, Deep Deep Light. I cannot wait to start using these. I cannot wait. And I can't wait to share with you what I'm going to paint. I mean, I can just draw all the birds with this. It's just the most, and I love the names. Prickly pear. That's a lovely green. Hopefully you can see it's a little bit dark in here today, unfortunately. I will try and take some better photos. Royal yellow. What else was there? Oh my gosh, there's so many. Water lily, starry night. That's like kind of a purple, grey, blue. It's beautiful. So what you get in here, so I'm just going to open this one up here. So this is from the Winter Birds collection. There we go. And we'll just turn this over. Oh, there we go. And this is green woodpecker. Okay, so I'm going to soak her. They're like little sweets. I don't want to. I don't want to open them, but I have to. Let me see if I can use my knife instead, so I don't. I'm trying to cut myself, but also carefully cutting the paper. Okay, there we go. So this is green woodpecker. Oh, it's just so beautifully wrapped. Oh my goodness. It's like little sweets. Okay, Okay, so there we go. Green woodpecker. I'm just going to pop that one back in there, and then I'm going to take one from another. I'm going to get one of the, I might get the primary actually. Let's get one of the primaries. So this is Rosso Magenta. Very different type of pigment. It's very bright, it's very vivid. See if I can open that one carefully. That one there. Oh wow! Oh my goodness! Wow, that is beautiful. So shiny. It's gorgeous. So gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, and I'm gonna just do one more, and then I'm going to do one of the I do a blue. I do blue. I've got a green and blue. Kind of one of these earthy ones. I think I'll do that one. This one is light yellow ochre. And this is from, I think this is the Cave, is this the Cave Art collection? This is the Cave Art, yep, this is Cave Art collection. This is yellow ochre. So if you go on their website, you will see much more information about where they source their pigments, what inspires them to create them, and all the different artists that have worked with them. There we go. Gorgeous. And some of these are granulating as well, which, you know, I absolutely love the texture of a granulating watercolour. So there we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm going to have a little sit down and a cup of tea now after this. This is this has been very exhilarating. So I will be doing lots of swatching, lots of testing, and I just can't wait. I just feel like my Christmases have come all at once. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I did mention that there will be the Deep Light have very generously given me some discounts for my subscribers, and paid members of the Creative Flock get an extra discount. Okay, so I will be sharing that with you very soon. I hope you enjoyed this, and have a good day. Bye.